Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change your name on Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and tap on your profile right below home. Now go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. Tap on the pen icon right next to your display name. Now go ahead and type in your new display name. Once you're done, tap on Save. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed your name on Roblox. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.